All right, this is the Grandmaster, the SP5, and this one has an Acro P2 equipped, and we're gonna go ahead and send some rounds down range on this one. All right, I mean, everything you would expect out of an HK, definitely roller lock gun. It's super smooth, super controllable, and these are pretty hard to find. So if you happen to see one in a local gun shop and it's something you're interested in, I would recommend picking them up because the secondhand market on this seems to be pretty savage. So if you find one, remember these are actual imports. They are roll marked H&K. So if you're a collector, definitely keep a lookout for an SP5.